Ableton 12.3 brought us a lot of new features and functionality, but today we're talking about pasting bounced audio. Let's check this out. So if we want to paste bounced audio, it's going to take the effects that are on the lane itself, but not from the group, because we're not bouncing the entire group, right? So if we go to this piano layer, let's hear it. We can turn off all of the effects that are on the group so we can hear what the piano sounds like with just the effects on by itself. So even if we add all of these crazy effects onto the group, like a delay, that's going to be super noticeable, right? So if we Command C or Control C, and then we can copy and then paste this, you're not going to do the regular paste with Control or Command V. You actually have to say paste bounce audio. Otherwise, it's going to turn that audio track into a MIDI track and just copy the MIDI. When it finishes copying though, let's take a listen. We'd be able to hear that delay, right? So it didn't. It just took the effects that were on that lane itself. Makes sense, right? What's cool is it will also take effects if we add in anything from a return track. So I have a reverb return track down here. Let's take a listen to these keys. As we can hear the keys. But let's turn the keys up. Let's add some reverb to this channel itself. There, now we can hear that. If we copy and paste it now by right-clicking and pasting bounce audio, it should have added that reverb since it's on the lane itself. Let's hear it. And what you'll notice is that it actually added it to the lane itself right here. And it'll make an automation for where that's at. So it doesn't actually paste it to the audio, it just turns it on for that layer. It's interesting that it does it that way. Because if we disable the send, you can hear that the reverb's gone. So what it will do is it will paste everything that's on the lane itself, but if you add a return track or something like that, extra effects, it's actually going to add that to that lane itself. Instead of writing that out to the audio file, we can then enable the send again, take a listen, and it's going to add that reverb right back to it. What's interesting also is that we had it at -5 in volume, so it also took that and it made an automation lane. It set it at -5 dBs there instead of just turning this audio track down 5. So that's pretty useful. And I would imagine it would do the same exact thing if you were to off-center it as well. So if we were to copy this, now that we have it 17 to the left, I would imagine that it's going to go ahead and automate that as well. Boom, and there you go. I added that automation lane 17 to the left. But if you want to see how Ableton bounces an entire group to a new lane or in place, you're going to want to check out that video next. And if you want to see all of the new updates to Ableton Live 12.3, we covered it all in this video right here.